Hey everybody, so this is going to be the unboxing video to the previous video about the plasma torch, which was a free item for testing. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Alright, so I'm going to quickly open this. It's not sealed. Came in it. It's got some hardware. Get out the bag. The outer sheathing is pretty nice. It's very pliable. It's got nice brass ends for the gas. Electrical plug. It's pretty decent. Looks like it's also got brass inserts. Pretty long. I'd say it's 6-7 feet by looking at it. Has the trigger guard. You lift up. There is a bunch of marking all over this. I'm not really sure what that is. Doesn't look like maybe it was quality control checked. So it looks like it comes with 2 spares. For the consumables. What this plastic cap is. Unless it's used to take the ceramic tip off. I don't know. It does have a wrench side on one end. Maybe it's just a removal tool. It's a decent little pack. We're gonna have to check it out on using it video. I don't know when I will make some videos on this, but we will eventually make some videos on it. Collar just keeps turning, which, you know, that's, I guess it is what it is for it. I think this on Amazon was like 34 bucks or something like that, if I remember correctly. I didn't pay for it. It was sent for me to, for testing, but it does come with 2 extra consumables. What's on it and the torch itself. I'll put it back in the bag for now because I don't need it at the moment. But I will do a video on testing this out, how it works on a plasma cutter, how well it works. So quick little unboxing, some information. I don't really know much about it. Let me go grab my phone. See if I can get some of the specs off Amazon. For you guys. It's made by Cuwiny. Plasma cut Torch PT-31 air plasma cutting gun with a M1 61.5 brass screw 2-pin connector. Duty cycle is 60%. Works with ESAB, LTEC, P31, JG40, WSD, LG40, and most plasma cutting machines. It is $30.99, so it's not really an expensive unit. High quality plasma cutting Torch PT31, flex and durable neck. New product promotion only this week. Reviews and feedback. Contact us for 20% off. HF ignition. Easy to start arc. Post flow 40-second. Recommended. This torch can work with ESAB, LTEC, PT31, JG40, and WSD LG40 cutting torch. 60% duty cycle, the electrode and tip easy replace. Torch length 4 meters. It's okay, so the torch is actually 13.12 feet. So I was actually wrong. It's actually longer than what I thought. It repeats the torch can work with ESAW, blah blah blah. Included consumables comes with one set of consumables, one electrode and one nozzle, and one cup. This torch works with Cut 50D, Cut 50, Cut 40 LGK, or Cut 40 LGK-40, CT312, CT312D, CT416, CT416D, CT518, CT518D cutting machines. This plasma cutting torch compatible with brands such as Cuwiny, Lincoln, which they spelled Lincoln wrong, Lotos, Prime Weld, Hero Cut, Reboot, Highbox, Amico, Ryland, Jasic, Mitek, Churi, UNT, Krypton, Longevity, Berlin, etc. plasma cutting machine. So I guess we'll see if it works on the plasma machines that I have. I guess we'll see that. You know, it may not work on any of the machines I have, because a lot of the machines it's naming are cheap Amazon machines, like this plasma cut 50 electric DC plasma cutter for $229. And they didn't mention names like the actual correct spelled Lincoln, Everlast. They said ESAB. You know, ESAB is one of the famous ones, but they didn't mention. I think Hobart has one. I believe Miller has a plasma cutter as well. They didn't mention any of those. It does look like the consumable pack that they have available is only $20 for 100 pieces. So that's not bad. There's an AG60 SG55 WSD60 air plasma torch gun. This one actually looks a lot nicer than the one they sent me. But I'll eventually do some videos on it, using it, see how well it works, see if it cuts well. Thank you guys for watching. please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Comments, criticisms down below, questions down below. If you guys have information on this specific torch, or any information that would be helpful in general just for people, leave them down below. You know, anybody that reads the comments, you know, people can learn off the channel. It doesn't just have to be you watching me talk about stuff or me fixing something. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.